Happy Friday. Happy Friday, TGIF. Guys. Thank you, Santa, for the gifts again. For the gift, I mean, only one. Guys, we miss you at the OC also. Last, the best. Next time, go with us. So, guys, we will not further ado. We're all without further ado. Santa game. The Rangers are there outside. The Rangers are outside eating. Santa Sen. Raven. R22. R22. Series. We'll see. Santa, thank you. Outer zone that I eat. There's a Raven, and this is also compatible with the CO2. There's a spring for the CO2, an additional nozzle, loading nozzle with what you call this? Lots of rubber fittings. Of course, the magazine. May na-discord na naman ito. And the gun itself. English yun, ha? English yun. May natak yan, ha? Legal yan, legal. With your heart. Cross arms. There's a saying there. There's a sticker. Low vibration siya tayo. Low vibration. Yung orange loading nozzle. There you go. Pwede to guys sa CO2. It can CO2. It can use CO2 cartridge. You just buy CO2 magazine and then you can change the spring. This is also double stroke. Even if you don't crack, you just straight shoot like this. Yun. Mga P226 yan. Or you crack it. Yeah. When you crack it, there's like a little bit decacker, Yun. Para isa lang. Yun.
There's Damon now. Damon. Targaryen. Oh look, the goal sign. Now is class like that. You can mix and match memberships, so you only pay
like
for This is for which was better than an eagle? I know. Obviously.
Now you know a smarter way to stream all the top TV, movies, and sports with no contract.
The heck? Maraming sayot. Advertisement. And guys, threaded barrel, threaded outer barrel, you can put tracer back. You put again the adapter. So 12 mm to 14 mm for the information of everyone. 12 mm to 14 mm. So para it's swak na swak. Yun. Yeah. We'll try. Give a pakikimba. Guys, the weather is good today. The gas is smiling. We'll see. Okay. Where's our iPro? You need iPro. Need an iPro? Be very careful. There. Pose. Guys, as I told you, you can straight shoot without cocking because this is a double stroke. See, once you load the gun at the magazine, you can shoot straight like this. Yun. Shoot eh. Wait. Yun. See? No cocking. Double stroke mo. See? There. You need to cock yourself. Wait, shit eh. Wait. Danger. What's the story? There you go. You know, the best. So you can load without cocking because this is a double stroke. No, what the heck? What is the story with this? So you know, sorry guys. There you go. So another one. Load. There. You can fire straight. There. See? Or you can. Oops, sorry. Come first. Double. There. No more. So Ray-Ban R22. You know, this is the Ray-Ban R22. You know, outdoor zone that you know. So guys, in Santa. See you guys. That's it.